Dude, I cannot wait to get to Barcelona and try so much spaghetti and KFC.
Yeah, well, that's wrong on so many levels. Did you hear that? Did somebody...
Yeah, I heard it too.
Maybe it was nothing.
No, that was definitely a cough.
No, it can't be. It's the second day of the Contiki. It can't have started already.
No, look, maybe someone's just playing sound effects on their phone. It could be nothing. Tim? Are you okay?
Guys, no, it's nothing. I promise.
He's got the Contiki cough.
I just have a little tickle in my throat.
He's got the Contiki cough.
It's nothing.
We're done for.
No, please.
Oh my God, not like this.
No, not like this!